Oh, where you been? Huh?
So everybody's here. 1, 2, 3. Hey, where's the other one? Huh? Over here. Huh. So she's there. So we got 6 chicken. Hi! Huy! In here! Come here! Nakalituhan na sila. So we put a wood chips, guys. As you can see, we got plenty. Come on! Ladies! Ladies! Kruk, 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 kruk. Who's coming first? Oh. Hi! So, yan. Oh, the other one is here too. So, let's check what she's doing over here. This one is a trap naman, guys. Hi. 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 So, papuntahin natin sila dito sa tunnel. So, this is the tunnel. Okay. Hi. Come on. So, that's the tunnel, guys. So, they can stay in here in the Hope Coop. As you can see, yeah, they got a huge cages. So, everybody's here. Yeah, over here. Hi! Hi. So, they're here, guys. As you can see. Yeah, they're here. Where are you gonna put that? Okay. Everybody's here, guys. As you can see. Yep, they're eating. Hi. Why your colors change now? Huh? Why your colors change? So, ayun sila, guys. As you can see. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Hi, hi, hi. I'll help you. I'll help you. Come here. Come here. I'll help you.
Did I knock the lid off in here?
Yeah, you did. Hi. Hi,
See,
everybody.
they don't like the oats as much as they did that pigeon food there. They love that pigeon food. They fight over that.
Come here. So, my husband is changing their water. Hi.
I'm gonna have to start spraying pretty soon, ain't I? Huh?
Hi.
I'll start spraying pretty soon.
No, don't take it. Hi. There's a camera. To say hi to them.
Did we get it, girl? Huh?
So as you can see, guys, we got a trap door for them, but that trap door so they can go outside, but I think now it's a little bit warmer, but it's cold for me. So they stay inside. So that's our chicken cage. Okay. So everybody's enjoying right now. As you can see, they're enjoying inside. Oh, here's the other one. What is that? Is door? Is that door? Huh? So they're here. They want to dig, guys. Hi. Hoy! That's a camera. It's a camera, guys. Anay. They pick the camera. Yeah. Halo. Halo. Yan sila, guys. Nagkakatawa nila. What is that? Hey. Yeah? So guys, that looks like the shed, so they can go inside. So now they're outside. Yeah, everybody. Lady. So ayan na.
All 3 different colors.
Okay. Let's go inside, guys. So that's our different kind of chicken again. Yeah, we got a lot of chicken. Hi everybody. And that's them now. Okay. Yeah, that's them now. Hi. Hi everybody. So let's get their egg, guys. Oh, we got 3 eggs today. Okay, we got 3 eggs today. So let's grab this first. Huh? Other one. Try.
You did that last smoother than I can.
Next, last one. Oopsie, thank you, Dada. So
9
everybody's
eggs today.
9 eggs today. Wow. So everybody's digging. Yeah. So just watch them, guys. Okay. Sige. Hi. Hi, babies. So, ang ganda din ng setup namin dito, guys. So, we put a big setup in here. Hi, Nak. That's their feeder over here. As you can see, it's big. You stay there. So, that's a feeder, guys. So it's easy for them. As you can see, we put a lot of food over here. That's their ash bath. Hey. So ayan na sila, guys. So in here also we got a trap door. We close that at night. So and then morning we open it so they can go there. Yeah, over here. So they're enjoying over here, guys. This one is huge. Okay, before this one is the cage of our duck. Now it's chicken nuggets. Hi. Now it's chicken nuggets, guys. As you can see, it's chicken nuggets. Hi, baby. Hi, ladies. Hi, ladies. Ladies, one more time. Hi. Yan na sila guys.
Hey, wait, honey.
Yeah?
I found the mosquito net.
Where did you find it? Holy cow, it's in there.
Yeah, so I put it in your little.
Greenhouse? Okay, thank you, Nay. Hi, ladies. How are you, ladies? So, guys, that's it for today. Bye.